Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Emacs on a Chromebook. So the first thing we want to do is enable the Linux development environment. I should note that my Chromebook is an Intel based Chromebook, so this will work with Intel or AMD based Chromebooks. I don't have an ARM based Chromebook, so I can't speak to that. Okay, so we're going to go here to the left, and what I just did is I went to the left of my settings here. So let me show you that again. So if I go here, I'm going to search for settings. So I'll search here for settings, or I'll look here for settings, and you can type it or just find the icon. And then on the left, you're going to click Advanced in your settings. And that's going to expand this tab out here. And then you can click Developers, and then you want to turn on the Linux development environment. So I'll click Turn On, and then I'm going to click Next. It's going to give me a username. I believe that's based off of your email, and also a recommended disk size. The username I don't believe you can change later. I'm going to just keep with what it is. The recommended disk size you can change later. So I'm going to click Install. That's going to take a few moments to go ahead and install, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, when the Linux container installs, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing here. And to update the Linux development container, I'm going to type sudo apt update, then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt upgrade with a -y flag, so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space the upgrade will take. It's typically very small. I'm going to hit enter and let that run. That'll take a few moments, so I'll come on back when that's done. Okay, once that's updated, I'm just going to do Control-D to close this out, and I'm going to temporarily shut down Linux and then restart it just to make sure everything updates properly. Okay, once the Linux development container is restarted, I can install Emacs with sudo apt install Emacs, and then I'm going to type a -y so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. This will take a few moments, and I'll come on back when that's done. Okay, that's run through and installed Emacs. I'm going to minimize my terminal here. I'm going to close down the settings, and I'm actually going to pin this container here just because I may use it in the future. And then let's open up our settings here and open up the Emacs GUI. Let's pin this to the shelf, and to open it I can click on the icon, and now Emacs is successfully installed on your Chromebook and you can begin customizing it.